how to redeem a promo code on DiDi. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can redeem a promo code on DiDi. To do that, open up your DiDi application, move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines and then click on. Then after doing that, on the page displayed, you can see options like My Trips, Payment, Help, Messages, Safety Center, Settings, Invite Friends, Drive with Us, Promotions. So just click on Promotions and then you'll be taken to the promotion page. So on this page, you would see some options like enter promo code redeem. So the next step is to click on the box, then type your promo code, click on redeem, and then your vouchers will be applied to your account. I will automatically apply to your next trip. So it's that simple. So if you've had promo codes in the past and you've been wondering how you can use it, so this is just how you can use it. Head over to your promotions, click on the enter promo code box, move to the right side, click on redeem, and that code will be redeemed successfully and to be added to your next trip. So it's very cool. So make use of it today. Thanks for watching.